subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
ओरिजिनल फिल्म का नाम कंचना है, जो तमिल फिल्म है उसका नाम कंचना है। द वर्ड लक्ष्मी बिकॉज इट मीन्स गोल्ड, जो ओरिजिनल का भी वही मतलब था। मैं कसम खा के कहता हूँ कि जैसे ही मैंने इस फिल्म की ओरिजिनल स्क्रिप्ट देखी और जो मैंने ओरिजिनल फिल्म देखी, मैंने डिसाइड किया। इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे मतलब रुकावटें आई हैं फिल्म की मेकिंग के दौरान। इट्स बीन इन द न्यूज़, क्रेडिट टू अक्षय कुमार जी की। उनका जब सपोर्ट आता है किसी भी फिल्म में तो वो फिल्म मतलब 100% बन जाती है। There are three things that you should watch Lakshmi Bomb for. And I don't want to sound cliche, but it's entertainment, entertainment, entertainment.
Hello everyone, today we have with us actor and producer Tushar Kapoor, who's all set for his first produced film, Lakshmi Bomb. Hello Tushar, welcome to India Forum.
Thank you so much, Priyanka.
First of all Tushar, how are you holding up in this lockdown? Hope you're healthy and safe and everyone at home is safe.
Yes, it's been a very fruitful lockdown. I have worked a lot with my son on his schooling. I have done lots of things at home that have been very interesting and made the most of my time. I have continued to do the workouts. I have started working once the offices were allowed to open and following all the rules and regulations. I think I enjoyed the lockdown. I mean, I know it's a very sorrowful situation for many in the world. So I've also prayed a lot because I'm into Buddhism. So it's been a good lockdown. It's been a useful lockdown.
How has been Laksh and Ravi's reaction to have daddy and Mamu home all the time?
For them, Laksh is very happy, of course, but sometimes he needs space, so I give him his space. And Ravi के साथ मुझे टाइम मिलता नहीं है क्योंकि मैं लक्ष्य के स्कूल में इतना बिजी रहता हूँ और इतनी चीजें तो मेरी बहन ही रवि को संभालती है। और अब मैं एक टाइम अलॉट करूंगा सिर्फ रवि के लिए जो संडे या सैटरडे का होगा। But otherwise, both the boys they're happy at home, but now Laksh is getting a little restless. He wants to go to real school. He keeps saying, I want to go to real school.
Yeah, this new way of communicating is taking a tough toll on everyone.
Yes.
Yeah. So moving to Lakshmi Bomb, the trailer looks fabulous and it's got a massive response from everywhere. So one of the best compliment that you received and from whom about the trailer?
A lot of people have messaged and a lot of people have tweeted. तो सबसे पहले तो याद आता है मुझे रूमी जाफरी जो है उन्होंने फोन किया और बताया कि तुम लोगों ने तो बम फेंका है पूरा, मतलब इस ट्रेलर के साथ एक मतलब लक्ष्मी बॉम्ब ही आप लोगों ने छोड़ा है जो अगर थिएटर में लगती तो 300 करोड़ करती है। And he was saying such good things about the trailer. So I think his was the most exhilarating compliment. लेकिन उनके अलावा अजय देवगन साहब ने ट्वीट किया, आमिर खान साहब ने ट्वीट किया, मेरे मित्रों ने, अभिषेक बच्चन, रितेश देशमुख, ये सब ने बहुत ट्वीट किया। बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्री के लोगों के जो अक्षय जी के साथ जिन्होंने काम किया है, जो शबीना के फ्रेंड्स हैं, जो राघव लॉरेंस जी के एसोसिएट्स हैं, तो the industry has on the whole made it a very very happy occasion for us to come with this film and launch the trailer.
Yeah. And how did the name Lakshmi Bomb come to your mind? Like, okay, we're going to go with Lakshmi Bomb.
I wouldn't take credit for that because the director should be answering this question. उन्होंने actually I think आपकी इंटरव्यू थी या किसी की इंटरव्यू थी, उन्होंने बताया भी है कि ये नाम कहाँ से आया, क्योंकि ओरिजिनल फिल्म का नाम कंचना है, जो तमिल फिल्म है उसका नाम कंचना है। तो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि हिंदी में भी कंचना रखेंगे, लेकिन क्योंकि हमें हिंदी ऑडियंस के लिए बनाना था इसलिए वी द वर्ड लक्ष्मी बिकॉज इट मीन्स गोल्ड, जो ओरिजिनल का भी वही मतलब था। और जब फिल्म देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि ये टाइटल लक्ष्मी बॉम्ब क्यों है एंड व्हाई इट इज अ क्रैकर ऑफ अ फिल्म एंड अ क्रैकर ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर दैट we are talking about in this film. So everything is positive and I think best person to answer this question regarding the title is the director, so I shouldn't speak for him.
Tushar, being a producer, at any point were you skeptical to come on board for the film? Any thoughts?
कभी भी नहीं। मैं कसम खा के कहता हूँ कि जैसे मैंने इस फिल्म की ओरिजिनल स्क्रिप्ट देखी और जो मैंने ओरिजिनल फिल्म देखी, मैंने डिसाइड किया और शबीना मैंने डिसाइड किया कि हम इस फिल्म को हिंदी में बनाने की कोशिश तो करेंगे। और फिर जाकर हमने राइट्स खरीदी और राइट्स मिल गई हमें, तो देन इट वाज क्लियर। आई वाज नेवर एवर स्केप्टिकल। इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे मतलब रुकावटें आई हैं फिल्म की मेकिंग के दौरान। इट्स बीन इन द न्यूज़, for a long time and has always been in the news.
Yeah.
लेकिन every obstacle made us stronger, and when you have the support of a superstar like Akshay Kumar ji, जो इतना बिलीव करते थे इस फिल्म में फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, और उन्होंने हाँ की हमें, तो हमें कोई स्केप्टिसिज्म की कोई गुंजाइश थी नहीं. We were very confident, and that singularly I would give the credit to Akshay Kumar ji कि उनका जब सपोर्ट आता है किसी भी फिल्म में, तो वो फिल्म मतलब 100% बन जाती है.
And Akshay Kumar ji की बात करें अगर, तो was he the first choice, and how did you guys approach him?
He was always the first choice. In fact, जब हमने उनको अप्रोच भी किया था, तो उन्होंने बताया कि उनको पता था इस स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में, and he had I think seen it or he had heard about it, और उन्हें इंटरेस्ट था इस फिल्म में. और जब हम उनके पास लेकर गए इस फिल्म की स्टोरी, और जब हमने उनको बोला कि हम ये फिल्म हिंदी में बनाना चाहते हैं, he was very excited. He gave us the go ahead to start writing and adapting it for the Hindi version. So he's somebody who's very clear. उनके मतलब थॉट प्रोसेस को आप अगर आप उनके साथ काम करेंगे, आपको पता चलेगा कि जब वो हाँ करते हैं तो वो कभी चेंज नहीं होता है, वो डिसीजन कभी चेंज नहीं होता. ही इज वेरी क्लियर. So he was always the first choice, and when you see the film, you will see that he is best suited to do this role because of the energy that he has, the conviction that he has given this character. I don't think we could have gotten a better option.
And when you have Akshay Kumar in the house, there are a lot of things happening on the set. So any anecdotes or any incident or memorable moments that you recall where you have witnessed it?
I clearly remember कि जब भी मैं शूट पे जाता था एज अ प्रोड्यूसर, और शबीना भी वहाँ होती थी, तो बहुत ही फैमिली का माहौल होता था. आई थिंक हम वो फिल्म के उस मोड़ पे थे जहाँ सारे सीक्वेंसेस फैमिली ओरिएंटेड थे, घर के अंदर हो रहे थे. So Akshay ji wanted everyone to be very bonded with one another, and he kept everyone together. He used to insist that we eat together. They used to, I was not there all the time because I had to come and go, but they used to eat together. They used to crack jokes together. They used to discuss the scene together. They used to pull each other's leg. They were like one family, and I used to feel like, अरे मुझे काश मैं इस फिल्म में भी होता तो मैं इस फैमिली का हिस्सा बन जाता. तो I think that is very characteristic of Akshay Kumar ji. He's got that, he brings so much positivity to a film, and that shows on the screen in any film of his.
Any special workshop was arranged for Akshay Kumar to prepare for this character?
No, I think that question also, I think the director should answer that question, because all creative decisions were taken by the director and Sir Akshay Kumar sir together. So मैं बोलूँगा तो I don't think I'll be able to do justice to what went behind performing this character. I think Sir will be best able to answer that question. But all I know is that he was very excited to do all the scenes wherein he's wearing a sari also. He was very excited to really start the movie and just take this character to another level, and he did it.
What was your reaction if you have witnessed it, like being on the sets, when you saw Akshay Kumar in the sari, and how was it?
मुझे तो I was not at all taken aback, or I didn't feel like anything new or something different what is going on, because he was so comfortable in the character, and he was so easy with the get-up that it felt like he's actually wearing the shoes of that character, and he's actually in the skin of it. So I went on set, and it was normal. It was just like a normal day, and we were just sitting and talking, and I didn't even get shocked or get too surprised, because he was so comfortable. That's how confident he was.
We also have Kiara in the film. So how did she come on board? Like, was it the quick decision to have her, or were there any thoughts about some other actresses as well?
I think this question, I think Shabina will be able to answer best, because we all together took that call, and we wanted to narrate to somebody who suits the character, someone who's sweet, someone who's a good actor, someone who's got everything that this character in the film requires. And Kiara was the first choice. She fit the bill, and we're grateful that she said yes, because she was excited by the story and she loved the subject. And I know her from before. She's a really sweet person. So I'm very happy that my first film has Kiara alongside Akshay Kumar ji. because Kiara's also had a great run in 2019, and she's like a real bona fide established star in today's day. So it couldn't have gotten better.
Tushar being a producer and Lakshmi Bomb being so huge, any challenges that you faced because it's your big project when it comes to
of course,
production? Yeah.
every film has its own set of challenges, and I think if you don't have those challenges, it means you're not making a good film. The fact that you have challenges means you're really involved, means you're really passionate. And I won't say there was one challenge. There were several challenges. Getting the rights was a challenge. After that, getting giving him the right picture about this movie, how we're going to make it, and so that he says yes, which wasn't a challenge really because he was so excited. But after that, as a producer, you have to get dates, you have to get the film to be mounted in the right way, you have to get the right location, the right art direction. Everything is a challenge along the way, and work is always going to be a challenge. It's not, there's no free lunch ever. But with the people in this film, with Shabina's experience, with Raghav Lawrence ji, with Akshay sir's hand on our heads, literally, his hand was on our heads. We didn't have to really struggle with anything. It was, you have someone like him in your film, everything is done, everything is goes amazing after that.
Right.
But we worked hard on the creative part of it. We worked hard on working as a team. We worked hard on doing justice to the original version. That is a challenge. We worked hard on doing that, on getting the right script so that it appeals to the Hindi audiences, but we keep the soul of the original film.
Talking about the film, has Ekta seen the film? Because no better critic than at home than Ekta. So has she seen this film, and how has she reacted to it?
Nobody has seen the film except for those who are associated with the film, and it's almost ready at the post-production level. So only after that will anybody be able to see the final product. But nobody from my family has seen it except for me.
Okay. Has she seen the trailer? If yes, then what was her reaction to it?
She loves the trailer. She just told me, she's like, this is the best trailer of the year, and this film is so talked about. And Ekta tweeted also, and she's more excited about. She's as excited about Lakshmi Bomb as I am. So it's like my dream project, but she's as excited about it as I am. And what else can a brother ask for?
Right. Tushar, before moving ahead, one message that you want to give to your fans about what is that one special thing that you need to watch Lakshmi Bomb for?
I think somebody had tweeted and put it very correctly. There are not one thing. There are three things that you should watch Lakshmi Bomb for. And I don't want to sound cliche, but it's entertainment. Three things. And if there is a fourth thing, if there is anything that is there in all these things, then that is Akshay Kumar. That is the USP of this film. And besides that, there's entertainment.
Perfect. And Tushar, which other projects do you have in your bucket now as a producer?
Well, there is a film that I will announce after the release of Lakshmi Bomb. It's a different kind of a film that has me in it. I'm in the film and I'm producing it also, but it's not a regular comedy or anything of that sort which I have done before. It's a very new concept. It's a new genre, and for me at least. And I would like to reveal that only when this movie comes out. So watch out for more surprises.
Okay. And you are always a treat in Golmaal. So anything on those lines or anything on the acting lines that you are going to soon hear from you?
I would like to wait to announce all the acting assignments after Lakshmi Bomb, but Golmaal का I think रोहित जी बता पाएंगे कब आएगी. Golmaal 5 बनेगी तो ज़रूर, कब बनेगी ये उनको ही मतलब decide करना है. Definitely हम सब जो उस फिल्म के हिस्से हैं, we are waiting for that announcement, and I hope it happens.
We are hoping it too. Thank you so much, Tushar, for connecting with us, and we wish you all the best for Lakshmi Bomb, and hope to connect with you soon for many more projects.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So guys, it was Tushar Kapoor with us, and this is Priyanka Chauhan signing off for now for India Forums, Mumbai. And all of you, please take care of yourselves, stay safe, stay healthy.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.